On your last legs, understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used English phrase, on your last legs. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered what it really means? Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your idiomatic knowledge, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery of this phrase together, exploring its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday conversation. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. The phrase, on your last legs, is an idiom that suggests someone or something is close to exhaustion, failure, or the end of its strength or functionality. It's often used to describe being in a weakened or deteriorated state, nearing the point of no longer being able to continue. This can apply to people, objects, or even businesses. For example, saying a smartphone is on its last legs might mean it's old, malfunctioning, and about to stop working entirely. Understanding where and how idioms originate can be fascinating. The phrase, on your last legs, is believed to have originated from the observation of animals or people who were so tired or ill that they struggled to stand or walk, appearing as if they were on their last possible strength. Over time, this observation turned into the figurative language we use today. While it's difficult to pinpoint the exact origin, this phrase has been a part of English colloquial speech for centuries. Now, let's look at how to incorporate this idiom into your everyday English. Here are a few examples. 1. For physical condition, after running the marathon, I was on my last legs. I could barely walk to the finish line. 2. For objects. My old laptop is on its last legs. It's so slow and crashes all the time. 3. For businesses or projects. The cafe down the street is on its last legs. It might close soon because it hasn't been doing well. Learning idioms can be tricky, but here are a few tips to make them stick. Context is key. Always try to understand the idiom within the context of a sentence or story. Practice makes perfect. Use the new idiom in your own sentences, either in writing or speaking. Learn in groups. Sometimes, learning idioms that are thematically similar can help you remember them better. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, on your last legs. We hope this video has illuminated this intriguing aspect of the English language for you. Idioms like these add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to express complex ideas in a few words. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use on your last legs when the situation fits. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.